Hi, my name is Philip and today we're gonna have a look at the ELPRO Cloud Starter Kit. What we have here is the version for the European market running with an 868 MHz radio frequency. The same product is available with 915 MHz for the US market. Now let's have a look inside. What we see first is the so-called quick installation guide, given a short overview on how to set up an account and register the different components to your account in ELPRO Cloud. We will go through these steps in more detail in a separate video. Here we have the communication module ELPRO RBR, as well as two wireless temperature sensors ELPRO 1 NTR. These sensors transfer the data via radio signal to the communication module, which then forwards it to ELPRO Cloud. Together with the two sensors, we get two coupons, each of it allowing to run one sensor for free in a standard configuration for 1 year. Furthermore, we find a short Ethernet cable to connect the communication module to the internet, as well as the antenna, which needs to be screwed to the radio module later on. Furthermore, we do have a short piece of a standard DIN rail in case you would like to mount the communication module to the wall. Now, obviously, the communication module needs to be supplied with power as well. This is the power supply for it we have here, which comes with the required plugs depending on the markets you are in. So for the European version that we have here, we do have a standard European and Swiss plug as well as a separate one for the United Kingdom. Now, as already mentioned before, we simply screw the antenna here on the top of the communication module, and at the bottom we do have two plugs, one for the Ethernet cable to connect it to the internet and one for the power supply unit. So let's have a quick look at one of the wireless temperature sensors. As you can see, they look a little bit like a hockey puck. And again, it comes with everything you need to directly connect it to your account. So in this case, it's two AAA batteries you need to power the wireless temperature sensors. And obviously, the second one will look pretty much the same. Visit elpro.cloud for further videos on how to set up the account and connecting the different devices. Thanks for watching.